So again, we got the fly stuff all over the house. So this is another fly house, which, you know, is obvious since there's a cattle lot right next door. But yeah, it's all over the house. I just need to really just show this area right here because the rest of it looks like it. So the whole house, even up here, it obviously has the fly stuff all over it. Everywhere you go. And then we come back here to my favorite, and we got the green. So I just sprayed off the deck and the water is not filling very quickly. Alright, so the cleaner's on there. I got an instant reaction. Well, it'll make a good before and after photo. Alright, finished the deck. It kept up. Guy came over, let me know the cows had stopped drinking, so it was just barely hanging on right above where it comes out into the pressure washer, but it held. Now we're slowly filling back up. I'm gonna start the house. So it just ran out of water right about here. I still gotta rinse all that. So it only lasts me about 2 sides. And there's a storm a-coming. This house, the water problem was a big issue throughout the wash. Every time I got the cleaner on there, I started spraying, I'd run out of water. I was here forever. It just sucked. This was all the green stuff here. All the green stuff is gone. All the fly stuff's gone too, but I'm done. I want to pack up. I want to get home, so I'll have the befores and afters at the end. Thanks for watching.